So this is the show here by Molly Koehn. It's the first show of the fall 2018 semester. It's a closing reception since we can't have a reception the first week of school. But we have Molly here, and this is the closing reception, like I said. But we're going to ask her a couple questions before we get things started. Thanks for coming, Molly.
Sure.
Tell me about the title Here. How did you come up with the title?
Well, it's pretty literal, actually, as in the work is sort of about here. So I've lived in Houston for the past year now. And so all of these works have been made within the past year, and they are in response to Houston's environments, sort of my interpretations as being an outsider moving here, and just how I've been vibing for the past year, I guess.
So, coming from Kansas to the Craft Center in Houston, you're a fibers artist?
Yeah. So actually my background, my undergrad is in drawing, and then my grad degree is in fibers. So I sort of mix both of them together and think of my like my embroideries as drawings, and I still draw on paper even though there's none of that in this show. The screen prints in the back there, those are very much drawing-like, and then I use very fine thread, in the weavings, and so they really mimic a drawing. So I think of them sort of as the same.
Excellent. There'll be kind of a virtual slideshow of all the pieces at the end of this, I believe, so
cool.
They can see what you're talking about if they're not here for the show. This show ends September 14th, so if you're going to come see it, you better come soon. What's next for Molly Koehn after this show? Is it going to travel or?
Well, I have a show coming up at Art League in Houston, so, just a little south of here, right? Art League's on Montrose there, that really popular street, and it is early 2019, and it's outdoor. So it will be my first outdoor installation. That makes me a little nervous, but it's a really fun challenge.
This is a place for weather, so
yeah, I am really excited to see how the sculptures react to the outdoors. They could completely disintegrate, and that will be awesome.
You need some pictures along the way, time lapse.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, thanks for coming, and let's get the show started.
Cool, thanks.